Hi everyone. Today we will discuss how to graph inequalities. Here we have two examples. Y is greater than x, or y is greater than or equal to x. Okay? To sketch this inequality, we must sketch the equation first. In this case, y equals x and y equals x. So this is the y equals x, this is the y equals x, right? And here, for the first example, we have just a greater than symbol, no equal sign. In the case, we must sketch the dotted line. Okay? But the second example, y is greater than or equal to x, you have a greater than or equal to symbol. If we have a equal to, when you draw a line, please use the solid line. Okay, that is the main difference. And the next step we must do is to decide which area is our answer. Okay, to decide this one, you can pick any point from any area. For example, if you choose a point, for example, this is a 1, 0, then plug in this number to the inequality and check. Inequality is y is greater than x. Now if you plug in x value and y value, now 0 is greater than 1, and we know that this is the false. So our selected point is not part of our answer. Okay, so we must choose the other side. Let me add some more explanation for the second one. If you choose this point, for example, this coordinate is 0 and 1. Now I will check again. Your inequality is y is greater than or equal to x. Now instead of x and y, you can plug in 0 and 1. So 0 here, 1 here. 1 is greater than or equal to 0? Yes, true. In the case, our selected point is a part of our solution. So we must shade the area that contains our selected point. Okay, this is the main idea to graph inequality. Okay, next one, graph inequality. First, we must sketch the graph. Here, 2x is greater than, if you add 1 to both sides, 4 here. Now x is greater than 2. How can you sketch x is greater than 2? If this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. Now this is x equals 2 here. Again, please note that the whole plane is divided into two parts by this vertical line. So we must choose which one is our answer. So I will choose one point. When you choose a point, please choose a very simple number. I will choose 0, 0, very simple two numbers, right? And check this number with our original inequality. So 2 times x minus 1 is greater than 3. We know that this is false, right? So we must shade the other side. So this is our answer. Good. And one more thing for this group. If you have only one variable, which is x, we can use from here, we can use just number line. Just one number line. X is greater than 2. If this is 2 here, greater than, yes, this side is our answer. Please note that this two graph has the same information. Good. Okay, next one. y is less than or equal to negative x plus 5. Again, y is less than or equal to negative x plus 5. So how can I sketch this graph? Y-intercept is 5. So about here, you have 5 here. And slope is negative 1 with a solid line. So I will sketch the line here, okay? So this line is y equals negative x plus 5. Now, decide which part is our answer. Again, I will choose 0, 0 and plug in 0 is less than or equal to negative 0 plus 5. Wow, 0 is less than or equal to positive 5 is true, which means this our selected point must be a part of our answer. So you must shade this part. Good. Every inequality has exactly the same concept. Now, second one, this one, y is greater than or equal to x squared minus 1. Always, please sketch the graph first. Y-intercept is negative 1 and x squared with a solid line here. Again, I will choose 0, 0. Unless 0, 0 is not on your graph, in most cases 0, 0, the origin will be the best choice for checking. So 0 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 1. So 0 is greater than or equal to negative 1. Okay, this is true. So your answer must be here. Okay, next one, y is less than 4 minus x squared. 4 minus x squared. Y-intercept is 4. You have a negative x squared, which is open downward graph, right? I hope you understand why I use the dotted line. Again, I will use 0, 0 for checking. 0 is less than 4 minus 0. 0 is less than 4. Yes, this is true. So our shading must be here. Okay. Next one, x squared plus y squared is less than 4. Yes, we know that this is the circle, right? The origin is the center and radius is 2. So 2 here, 2 here, negative 2 here, negative 2 here. Since we don't have an equal sign, I will use the dotted line. Is it okay? Now I will choose 0, 0. Then 0 plus 0 is less than 4. Yes, true. So our answer must be here. Okay, almost the same inequality. X-axis is here, y-axis is here, and x squared plus y squared equals 4 is the circle whose radius is 2 here, right? Same picture. And since there's no equal sign, dotted line. If I choose 0, 0 again, then 0 plus 0 is greater than 4. Please note that this is a false statement. So our selected point cannot be our answer. So we must shade the other part. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.